In this class we are going to discuss about K-map simplification. Groups may not contain 0. Groups may not contain 0. We can group 1, 2, 4, 8 or 2 power n cells. Each group should be as large as possible. Cells contain one must be group. Group may overlap. Positive grouping and corner grouping is allowed. There should be as few groups as possible. There should be as few groups as possible. Group may not contain 0. That means here the group forms only once, not exist 0. Here this is the sum of products. Sum of product from definitely we need to contain 1. Here the group forms only once, may not contain 0. We can group 1, 2, 4, 8, 2 power n cells. That means single, double, here quadra and octal. Each group should be as large as possible. How many groups forms as possible as? Cells contain 1 must be grouped. In this groups cells contains only 1. There does not exist 0. Sum of products from definitely we need to consider 1. Whenever here the product of sums contains 0, it doesn't contains, may not contains 1. Product of sums. Sum of products from definitely we need to consider 1. Whenever product of sums from definitely we need to consider 0. That means product of sums contains 0. There doesn't exist 1. Here we are minimize the expression, means we are just group the combination. That means by using these cells to combine the combinations: single variable, double variable, quarter, octal, 2 power n cells. Here is the example. Here we take here the cells contain 1 0 and the group must contain ones only. Here 0 is present at the one of the group of the cell. Therefore here the 0 will be neglected. We can consider only 1. Therefore the combination will be take A B C D 0 0 0 0. Here the value contains only in the single cell. Therefore this is single variable cell, single group cell. This is only single group cell. The value will be AB variable is 0 0, CD variable is 0 0, and the next values will be taken double combination of cell. Therefore here we can take combination of cells. A contains 0 0, B contains 0 1. Here the cell combination will be changed. Therefore we cannot consider the B variable, only considered A variable only. Why? Because here there is no change in these two cells. Therefore 0 0 0 0, that means 0 0 means complement of variable. Therefore the value will becomes A bar. Here the value will becomes A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. And here only single cell combination. Therefore here we converging one cell. Therefore 1 0, only we take 1 0 value. Here the value of 1 is C and value of 0 is D bar, and the values will be takes here double. Here this is single combination, double combination, quarter. Here the combination will be takes quarter, 4 combinations. Therefore the combination of values is A variable is 0 0, B variable always changes. Therefore we cannot take B variable, only A variable contains A bar. And here 2 cells contains. Therefore here C has the same combination and the combination of B will be changed. Therefore, we cannot take C combination, D variable. C variable only we take. And the next example is octal. That means here the combination of as the combination A variable is 1 1. That means here we take A, and here all cells are filled with ones, and this cells cannot takes values. Why? Because here every cell the value will be changed from one value to another value. Therefore, the value of this cell does not exist. Only exist. Place the variables, that means same the all these cells, then we can possible to represent as equation of prime implicant. That means here all the cells values will be same in every position, but here the cells value will be changed from one position to the another position. Therefore, we cannot consider this 4 cells values. Therefore, the value will becomes A only. The final expression is addition of all primary implicants. That means here we take final expression is addition of all primary implicants. Here A plus A bar C and A bar plus A bar B bar C bar D bar. Here we take only octal, quadra and single. We doesn't consider the double. Whenever quadra is there, whenever the quadra is present, we cannot take double. We need not to double takes. Here the octal is not present, then the double is present. Therefore, this is the final expression is addition of all primary implicants. This is the first rule of K-map simplification. In next class, we will discuss the next rule of K-map simplification. Thank you.